Welcome to Drone Education Services. Today we're going to be talking about compliance folders. This could be the most important item that you carry out to every operation. It's proof that you have all the necessary paperwork completed to fulfill the operation. A folder is a good place to keep copies of your documents, emails, signatures, and evidence of your due diligence. Some examples to keep in your compliance folder are as follows: your AMA membership card, your asset management logbook, your business cards, your business license, your certificate of authorization, contracts, copy of your community-based guidelines for recreational flight, your crew management plan, your driver's license, your flight logbook, your flight plan including flight emergency procedures and flight termination in case you have a lost link plan, insurance, NOTAMs, the number of crew members for each assignment, your pre-shoot planning checklist, your price list, your registration of the drone, your remote pilot certification, your resume, risk mitigation plan, safety manual, signed contract, training manuals, and even waivers. Don't even think about flying your drone in state-regulated or federally restricted airspace without official clearance. The maximum fine could be a loss of your remote pilot certificate or jail time. Please be sure to subscribe to this channel, and may all your operations be completed safely, reliably, and repeatably.